Welcome to India. Alright, it's been almost a week here in Imphal. I've been staying with Khoupum. This place is the one with all the clothes on it there. It's a pretty sweet little spot. And it's time to move on. Oh, I've got some cars. I'm gonna head to Loktak Lake and then head on into Silchar, Assam, and then into Meghalaya, I think. I might do a charity bike tour before that, so we'll see how that goes. It's been great. Khoupum and his family have been amazing. Thank you to them. So just bicycled out of Imphal, and my friend there, Min, her sister worked at the NHBC, which is like a national governmental infrastructure corporation. And I think they built this canal potentially along with a little hydro dam of some sort. And they have a guest house at the end of it, which is right on the lake. Apparently they're gonna hook me up with a place to stay out here. I don't know much beyond that, but I do know it's been a really nice little road coming down here, covered in trees. Getting off the highway has been really nice. We'll see what's up ahead. This lake here is called Loktak Lake, and it's one of the so-called 7 wonders of India. It has all these interesting round floating islands. I'll show you in a second. I don't really want to film when I arrive. They might feel a bit awkward about that. Sanjoy. Sanjoy up on the bamboo there came to the rescue to help me try and find the drone, which I thought might have been in the grass over there. It fell out of the sky really fast, and he came over on his boat, which is right there. We went over there trying to find it, crawling through the grass and stuff. Didn't find it, but then I realized there's an extra little sort of searching mode on the remote here, which my friend Bime, whose place I was staying at, was holding, and I came back here and I managed to find it just over there. So this whole mission into the grass over here was not worthwhile, but great. Thank you so much. Thank you. So the official NHPC guest house where I was supposed to stay ended up being a gong show, didn't work out.
I had to go meet the chief manager, and he basically just straight up denied me, said the guest house was full. Pretty much lied. He just didn't want random foreigners staying in his guest house. I ended up cruising around the town and then eventually coming back to where I wanted to stay in the first place anyways, which is just camping out by this building down here by the lake. And the family warmed up to me. They were pretty nice. Eventually let me stay here. And it's been, pretty good sleep. Dogs were barking a bit during the night, but not too bad. Been comfy. Got a bit cold in the morning, which is nice.
All right, I just left the lake with the cool circular islands and I've been climbing. Just went through another army checkpoint where one of the army guards was Nepalese and he was stoked and said he was gonna come to Canada, wanted to meet me. We didn't really exchange contact info, but who knows, maybe I'll see him in Canada someday. Yeah, got some bananas. I'm sort of tired already. It's early still, it's not even 9 o'clock. Going up into the clouds. I don't think I have to go all the way up to that pass. Possibly over to that one over there. There definitely looks like there's a road. Right now I'm heading that way, so who knows, but it's amazing road. Nice pavement, very little traffic, so it's sort of beautiful. I would happily ride straight uphill into the mountains any day if it involved no traffic. I could tour around the world like this happily if I could avoid the traffic and the trucks and the honking, because this is just peaceful and beautiful and I don't mind to climb. It's fun going downhill too. That fresh air is nice. Well, I just came over through the pass. It's pretty cloudy up there, so I didn't take any footage and just zoomed right down, but I'm zooming into this deep valley, which looks amazing. Check this out. Beauty. Just came down. Yeah. River. Looks like it would be a sweet river to run. Nice bridge. Nice river. It is hot. And I'm sweating and puffing, climbing again. You can see I came from way up there and went all the way down to that river down there. And there it is there. And now I'm coming all the way back up. And I'm pretty sure that that river actually goes into the valley that I'm heading into, but I'm guessing the road that used to be there was washed out. I realized I was on not the main road, and I'd come about a kilometer up here, went all the way back down to the army checkpoint. I was like, wrong way. And then they're like, no, right way. This way is a shortcut, but it's already blown out, no good or something. So I don't really know the situation. Maybe there's fighting going on down there, but I have a feeling it's just landslides, so the road is busted, gone out, and they're just too expensive to fix it. So they're using this road, which seems like a really small road. It's nicely paved though, and there's very little traffic. Onwards and upwards. Covered in drips and covered in scratches also from going through that grass this morning. Well, I think I'm at the second pass of the day, unless this is a false one and I still have to climb. The electrical wires go down from here. It would make sense that the road would too, but knowing this road, it's been weird. Ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs, but generally consistent up. I think you can see where I came from over there. Right over there. I think that's the road. Well, this is going to be a crazy next week if I actually do what I'm supposed to do, because I got invited to join a charity ride, but it starts in Shillong in 3 days, which is still like 400 kilometers away. And then, like, it sounds like we're gonna go all the way to the Music Festival, which is in Arunachal Pradesh, but that's like 500 or 600 kilometers away, and it starts on Thursday, which means we'd only have 4 days to go 500 to 600 kilometers. Sounds pretty crazy. I don't know what we're gonna do, what I'm gonna do. Right now I'm gonna go downhill. Look at that. Bro, it's service of the nation. We got the best road signs in India here. Well, I've been convinced to go down this dirt road to go to some waterfalls and stay in this town, which means tomorrow I'm gonna have to do 175 kilometers. And I got a place to stay, but I'm gonna have to come back down this whole dirt road. It's like 3 or 4 kilometers. It's pretty tiring right now, I'm exhausted. But I'm heading to a waterfall, so I'm excited. I think it'll be sweet. And it's beautiful right here. Look at these giant rice paddies. Oh. And
not so far. It's down there.
Dyson, the man who's taken me to the waterfall and offered me a place to stay here in Khoupum.
Yes, Khoupum.
Khoupum. Beautiful valley, which is filled with people from Naga.
Yeah, Naga. Romain.
Romain.
Jelengrong.
Jelengrong.
Yeah,
cool.
Jelengrong.
Sweet. Well, thank you for taking me this way.
Welcome.
It's beautiful, and I'm looking forward to a swim in the waterfall. Well, we've just come down a massive dirt hill road, very steep, braking the whole time, and now we're going down this path. The waterfall is finally in sight. There she be. Never been more ready for a swim in my life.
Around the world, a man without motors.
So good. Oh. Well, you can't even see it, but it's super steep coming out of the waterfall. I forgot how much downhill we did. I'm soaked wet again now just because of my sweat, but it's a pretty beautiful valley ahead. Same one that came through, but it just looks so beautiful. I'm here at Dyson's house. You can come over here if you want. Here at Dyson's place, who met me on the road yesterday, invited me to stay at his awesome place here, which has been beautiful. Nice little town. I'm pretty exhausted, especially I was last night. Got a good rest, and I got a bunch of riding to do now. It's sort of raining, but I'm gonna head up, up, and then down, and then up, and then down again. Just had some nice hot Tulsi water. That was delicious. Thank you for having me.
Welcome. I'm Mr. Dashilung Pamay from Khoupum, Namkolong Part 2, and I'm Jelengrong. I love this place very much, this Khoupum. This is a bit countryside, and it's located in the northeast of India. I'm just working as a small business. I have one sawmill. I put some workers, and they used to cut tree into planks, and I sell it, these small things into the public to make some furniture items.
How are you changing the world?
Through humanity, it can change the world. It can change the relationship among all. And moreover, I enrolled in Skyway. And this Skyway, if the Skyway project is coming to possible, this will change the world about the global warming. And moreover, this is a transport system. And this transport system doesn't use any drivers, and it doesn't matter about the fuel, and it doesn't matters about the cutting trees and everything. But this is eco-friendly. When this Skyway project becomes into reality, this will even change the world. It will protect from the global warming and from the accident. There is no accident in Skyway.
Thanks, Dyson.
Yeah, welcome.